welcome to my channel. So I am doing a little something different, trying something new. So I thought I'd tell you or show you what I do when I'm not making content for YouTube and Instagram. So I'm an avid reader. I like to write as well, but sometimes that gets boring. So, and seeing as we had shutdown last year, I had to find me new hobbies. So I do diamond art. So when I'm not working, making content, reading, I do diamond art. So you get them in 2 packages. One of them come in an actual box. And then most likely you get them in these packages. This is the one I'm going to do. So I'm going to open this one. It's pretty fun. It's kind of like color by number or letter, whatever. But I don't do that. I do this instead. So you get your little package, your little art. I'm doing a peacock for my aunt. She likes peacocks. So I got that. They usually come in these sizes. I don't know if you can see that well with the light, but 40 by 30. Usually it's 30 by 40. That is centimeters, because the majority of your diamond art is coming from China. So America's the only one that does it by length and height and all that stuff. So but it's a good size. Your diamond art will always come with a diamond tray, your wax, and we call these pins, but they're not actually pins. They're actually hollow at the end, so you can dip your pin in the wax and then pick up the diamond art. Diamond art comes in 2 forms. This is your diamond art. They give you a package with all the colors that you're gonna need, and these are called your diamonds. They're not actually diamonds, but that's what they call them. And you usually get, to know where you're going with all your stuff, you get this bar on the side, and it tells you what package number, what goes with what side. I know you guys really can't see all of that, but they come in letters, numbers, and symbols. So it's easy. You just follow the symbol, their letter, and it's in packet. What is that? J is 36.89. And if you see on the package, there it is. I mean, that's not the one, but there it is. And it'll have sometimes corresponding numbers. This is 1533.60. So 1533.63 is the letter A. So you get that, and then you put it on all your A's on your page. I'm gonna do a little for you, but let me show you what it turns out. Here's one of them that I've already done. This is a 30 by 45, so 45 is longer, 30 is the width. So that's what I do. I mean, not what I do, but diamond art came off. I need to re-roll that. Anyway, those are round. You can get square, and they're a little bit more. They're actually square diamonds. I don't like square diamonds. I prefer round, but I did do this one. The majority of them I just do to be doing, and I give them away. I rarely keep them because I don't need them. It's just something to do. FYI, if you start this project, I know you can't see anything right now, but hold on, I'm getting there. will get abundance of leftover. They give you 30% more than you need just in case. So that is Ziploc bags full of extra diamond art that I've had from my other diamond art. And again, every diamond art comes with a tray and pen and everything, so you will get more than you need. Extra trays, glue, stuff like that. You can also buy you pins, which I did. Here's my pin. Okay guys, so I just peeled back my protective covering because this is sticky. That's how your little beads stay on it. So you do your little wax, and I'm trying to do this one-handed. That's a bit too much, so you just want to scrape the excess off. I know this is bad. Bad. And then you pick up your diamond art, ta-da, and you go to the corresponding letter. This color is H, so I'm going to put it right on there. And ta-da. So you do it again. And beware, I'm random, so I put it in any H that's in my view. So, oops, you didn't even see that. Yeah, I'm random. I don't have a specific. I don't do in order. You can do it any way you want to. One of my best friends introduced me to this, so this is a good way to, if you need to find a new hobby or something to do, this is great. I like it because puzzles don't challenge me enough, so I do this. And funny enough, I got my grandmother and my mother hooked on to this, so we sit at the kitchen table and all three of us are diamond arting. So, and there it is. So, I mean, if that's your thing, that's your thing. You can find them at Amazon. This is usually where I get my diamond art. Of course, you can find them at Hobby Lobby, but they don't give you as much as a variety. But whatever your bad is, they usually start pretty cheap. But I get the $9.99 ones, so essentially $10. And these are pretty big. So this will keep you, depending on how long you want to do this, every day and every day. This will last you at least 2 weeks if you're not doing it for long hours and every day. If not, it'll take you a week, maybe even 4 days. It just all depends. But yeah, a good hobby. So enjoy, guys.